I'm going to continue to scroll down. So we have hook block info. We can remove all of our block stuff. So hook block configure, that can go. Hook block save, that can go. Hook block view, goodbye. That's a nice big one. Okay, we have one last one, Trails cron, hook cron. So this is the one that bit us earlier that was causing the error that was preventing the overlay from displaying. So let's bring back the pane by uncommenting this out. We should be able to get this up to speed. So the goal of cron in the original module was to take what was going to continue to grow to be a very, very long Trails variable and cut it down, basically prune it regularly so we didn't get this giant variable that was going to crash our server at some point. Now we're using the state API instead. So let's go ahead and go through this line by line and see if we can fix it. Then we'll give it a run and see if it works. So in this first part, we're getting the trail, just like we would do when we're building out the block. So let's go to our Trails history block.php file. And in the build section, we'll just copy this trail equals Drupal state get Trails history. And let's copy it over to our Trails module, put it right here. So count -5 equals the count of this minus 5, okay? So this is how many we need to cut off. The short trail is the last 5 sliced off the end. And then finally, we're setting the variable again. And the only place where we set the variable at this point is in our subscriber. So let's open up our subscriber. I'm going to go back to our module folder, and it's going to be in source and then Trails subscriber. Let's open that up. At the very bottom here, we have Drupal state set Trails history trail. So let's copy this and go back over to our .module file. And we're going to paste this in, comment out this variable set because maybe we want to take a look at it later just to compare it. And we're going to copy this short trail instead and put it where the trail would be normally and save it. All right, so in Drupal 8, we can run cron manually. So let's go to our configuration page and let's click on cron and let's run cron. Okay, it says cron run successfully. Let's prove it by going to our home page and scroll down. And sure enough, in our Trails history, we only see a portion of what we saw before. So this means that we've successfully cut out a chunk of our trails.